Hello everyone. Today I'm taking this video just want to show you another ballroom stand. Let's check the quality and install it and check the advantage and shortage of this stand compared with my other old ballroom stand. Okay, look, this is all material here for one set. Let's check the quality. This is the plastic base. You can put some sand and put some water onto this base to make it sturdy. And this is the connector. And this is extendable ballroom stand. Okay, very long. Okay, put it on the connector and then connect the stand to the base. So, one of the shortage I found is this connector not much suitable to hold on the stand. If you want it much more sturdy, let me try it. I think you need to push it hardly or apply some hot glue when you put it inside the connector and then put it on the base. Okay, look at this, the shortage. It's not hold the stand very well. So to solve the problem, you need to add some hot glue on it. Okay, the other material is the ballroom holder. Let's check it. Iron material. And the other shortage I found is the edge of this bowl is very sharp, so be careful to be hurt. And if you use this bowl to hold the ballroom, I think it will hurt the ballroom also. So if you want it to hold the ballroom, you need to use some hot glue to add it around the cuff of this bowl to protect the ballroom. Or you can change to use the small plastic holder, that will be better. But actually, using this bowl to put some flower foam and put on the flower to make another decoration, that will be very good idea. Anyway, let's go on. This little stick, just put it. There's some screw. Just screw it onto the bowl will be okay. Totally. Okay, so the stick will be longer, so it can well to hold the floral foam if we use it for other idea. And then put it on the stick will be okay. Okay, now look, we strongly recommend to put some hot glue on the connector to make it sturdy. Okay, now let's extend the stick. Okay, now let's check how tall of this ballroom stand. Wow, I think it will be more than 2 meters tall. Okay, I move it to other space so we can take the full picture. Okay, look, about 2 meters tall, and the length of the stick could be adjustable. So the advantage, even there's a lot of shortage, but the advantage of this stand, you can make a very top holder to hold the ballroom or maybe the flower if you can make the base sturdy. Okay, I put all the ballroom stand together so we can compare with each other. For this 3 stand, I already took a tutorial to show you how to install them and tell you the advantage and shortage of them in detail. If you are interested, click here for the tutorial. But today we will put much more attention on this stand compared with this 3 stand. The advantage of the stand is it can make the ballroom very tall, about 2 meters tall, and you can change the length of the stand, so you can make various design. And compare with this golden iron stand, this type of the stand will be very cheap in price. But of course, the iron stand will be much more sturdy and pretty. This is the advantage, cheap and can make taller stand. And of course, this iron stand can also make maybe taller than this one, but the price will be very expensive because the quality is good. Okay, so I put them together and show you the advantage and shortage of each item because I supply all these materials. If you are interested, you can contact me for the quotation. I put them together because I want to tell you there's no one product is perfect. Each of them have their advantage and shortage. And compare with the price, you can pick the one suitable for you. There are no perfect item. Just pick the one suitable for what you use to make. Compare with the quality. Also, the price will be okay. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye-bye.